Are you looking for some quick tips to make the most from your HubSpot investment? Well, in this video, I'm going to fill you in on all the latest updates to the platform so that there are no surprises next time you log in and you've got all the tools you need to market, sell to, and service your people like a pro. Hi guys, it's Liv here from Neighborhood, back with another episode of our What's New in HubSpot series. So, what happened in August, I hear you ask? Well, while Marketing and Sales Hub saw the biggest spring clean this month, stick around to the end of this video where I'll show you where to go to get your HubSpot ideas brought to life and maybe even featured in our next update. First off, for all you CMS Hub, Marketing Pro, and Enterprise customers, you'd already probably be aware that in July, HubSpot rolled out the multi-language functionality of the website and landing pages tool to the blog, so you could better manage your content across all the languages that you're active in. To provide your customers with a complete in-language experience, they've also added multi-language blog author profiles, and now they're rolling out multi-language blog tags. In the past, if you had a blog post in multiple languages and you wanted to create language variants of your blog tags, you'd have to create them as a completely separate tag. These tags won't group together, making managing all of your blog tags really difficult. Now, tags can be created in your blog's primary language with language variants grouped with that primary tag. When a language variant of a blog post is created, the corresponding language variant of its tags will be used where it's actually available. To get started, navigate to the blog tool and select Tags. Hover over a tag to click on More, create a multi-language variation. Also live is the Delay Until Event delay option in Workflows, allowing you to send perfectly timed emails easier than ever before. Also in the Workflow tool, keep your eyes peeled for another update coming soon, which will allow you to comment on workflow actions, perfect for growing teams providing feedback. Next up, a new update that should be available soon is the ability to view and reassign records when deleting users, meaning that you'll be able to see users' owned contacts, companies, tasks, deals, and inboxes before you remove them from your account. Also, watch out for a new permission that controls who can manage the Hub's product library. The permission will allow you to create and edit product library products. Also on its way is the Accounting Extension API, which will allow you to connect your accounting system to HubSpot and get awesome functionality, spanning the ability to create an invoice from a quote or a deal in HubSpot and send that information to the connected accounting system, select invoice data in HubSpot, associate existing invoices with a HubSpot contact, company, or deal, associate tax codes to products, and also sync multiple currencies. So that's all to look out for in Marketing Hub for the minute. Let's have a look at what HubSpot's been cooking up on the sales side of things. The latest update you should look out for is the new Visitor Identification API, enabling your chat widget to automatically recognize logged in visitors after they've been authenticated by a login system. So if a visitor logs in by providing their email address, the Visitor Identification API can send their identity to HubSpot chat widget. This API works automatically with HubSpot's private content membership for CMS Hub or Knowledge Base and doesn't require any additional setup. It can also be configured to support a login on your external website. An idea that's on its way to your screen is the Customizable proposal template using the CMS. Proposals represent an exciting new template type that leverage the power of the HubSpot CMS platform to enable full customization over HubSpot's quotes and the ability to fully edit the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that make up a quote. So keep your eyes peeled if you're with sales professional or above, or marketing and CMS or above. Now, have you found that there are things about HubSpot you'd maybe like to change, something that would make your life easier, or something that might save you time? Well, be sure to check out this, the HubSpot Ideas Forum. All of the updates that we've run through this year were once just ideas from people like you and I trying to make their HubSpot experience a little bit easier. Your ideas will be brought to life by HubSpot based on the number of upvotes you get on your idea, or rather, how many people agree that this would help them out too. But hey, if you're already happy with HubSpot and just want to know what might be on its way, definitely head there to check it out. So that's pretty much it for this month. I hope these updates provide you some support in your marketing and sales strategies, but if you need any extra help ensuring you're making the most of your HubSpot investment, let us know. Here at Neighborhood, we conduct completely free portal audits to give you clarity as to where you need to be focusing your time and energy. We'll look into your marketing efforts to check whether you're following blogging best practice to boost conversions. We'll check out your sales strategies to see that your pipeline is clean and logical. And lastly, we'll dive into your service portal to see whether you can be better utilizing particular sections to stay up on keeping your customers happy. So that's all from me for August, guys. Happy HubSpotting.